Alright guys out there, this is my last attempt today. It's like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm heading over to this auction. Hopefully I can finally successfully buy something. Today it's just been unsuccessful attempt after attempt. So we're gonna see what happens. Alright guys, I'm gonna do something a little different I've never done before here. I'm just gonna walk around, look at this stuff slowly. This is old Westinghouse fans, they're pretty cool. I know people refurbish them for parts. I actually have a coworker that refurbishes them for parts, but I don't. I sell them sometimes, but not that often. This here is pretty cool. Look at this. It's an old Westinghouse meter. Somebody actually has it. Wow, that's really cool. Actually, really cool. All right, what else we got here? That old rotary phone, old bed lamp. I've sold a set of this before, but they also had the lamp for the rail. But I had should have 2 other pieces for that. You see these all the time. These are these ice tray things where you lift it up and ice cubes actually come out of it. But that's just you see that all the time. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right, we got some car stuff here that's pretty cool. Let's see, Electrolux. Well, that's actually for vacuum cleaner, Maytag. Okay, this is for off appliances. This is pretty cool though. Alright, and we got some hood ornaments. That should go without explanation. I'm actually waiting around for these to go because I've done really good with those before, depending on the competition. You know I love clocks. There's the clocks. I always buy my old clocks. Clocks always sells. When I say always, I mean always. Salt and pepper shakers. They're a dime a dozen. You'll always see salt and pepper shakers. Old toasters. They're good. Some ruby colored drinking ware. It sells, but it's glass. It could be a hassle. My wife has broken me out of buying glasswares because it's a struggle. Like today, we got like 10 sales, and she's got to ship it, and it's glass. It takes twice as long, so she's kind of broke me out of it. I left the money for it. All right, you got some pretty cool irons here. I like these. I like those a lot, actually. Just because you like it, though, doesn't mean it's worth anything. I always remember that. There's another meter, so maybe it's not as cool as I thought it was. Thought it was a rare thing, but maybe not. That stove's worth something there. Alright. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, excuse me. Alright, we got some paper lots here. I always do good with paper lots. They're just randomness. Need a new chair actually in the house, but I'm sure that's not for sale. Nothing too special here in my opinion. Looking. Alright. No beat up fan. Let's walk to the other side. Let's see what we got. Let's see what else we can find over here of interest. There's always something though. Alright. Let's see. Got some carnival wear. Carnival wear is always nice. You know I love my clocks. Relish dishes, you'll see these go for like $1. Buy them, they will sell. Old jars are always great. These are old the claw style pedestals, like for the old bathtubs, big old heavy cast iron bathtubs. Matter of fact, the house I brought had one in it. We still have it actually, but it was so big, the only choice was to break it to pieces because it's so heavy with a sledgehammer. So we just kept it. You know, I love buying my jewelry and watches. Got an old sewing machine here. If it's the one I think it is, it actually has value. I'll know if it's the right one or not, just by how much it goes for though. I might jump in the bidding for that. Let's see what we got over here. Alright, got some depression wear here. And what we got here? Book of Worship. Let's see what year this is. 1897. Okay, so it's not a bauble though. Pinnacles and etc. It don't carry the same weight as a bauble still. All right, and then right now they're selling the furniture. So they've got the furniture going over here. But I'm not interested in that. I never buy the furniture. You have a lot of ammo here. Alright, so it was just a little quick snippet video. Try something different. I'm going to list that separately from the actual auction video. Alright guys, finally making a comeback here today. Let's pick this up for 27. Should be between 150 200. So that was a great buy. Really good buy finally. These old lasers, I don't know anything about them. I just know their value. So I paid $20 for the box lot. So hopefully I paid like $25 for that box lot also. Hopefully I get at least $200 a deal. But it's a good start. Also got some more stuff back here in my box. I'm gonna show you. So walk over here. Bear with me. Didn't get a front seat today because I got here late, but that's on me. Alright, my box here for some goodies. This I paid roughly $24. It's just old science equipment. Looked it up. It's a ion chamber, but I expect to get at least $150 for that. For the old 8-track car radio, that's a no-brainer. Only paid $5 for that. For that old microscope there, I paid $5. And I bought some other random bits of electronics, vintage electronics, that $5 a piece. But it's a good start. So far I'm very much so in profit. So I'm gonna go back over here and see what else I can get. Alright guys, I just had a great rare opportunity. I just brought all these irons for $1 a piece. They're all old and vintage. Now they're not big money, but each iron is worth about $20 at least. I brought them all for $1 a piece, and there's 16 of them. So nobody wanted them. I said, give me all of them. I took them all. So it's working out today. So I'm pretty excited with this one. I'm doing good. Yeah, I picked up this old rotary phone. Got a quick funny story about these things. When I was a little kid, when I finally learned how to use it, they changed up and everything was all something tone, the buttons. I didn't know what was transpiring at the time because I was so young, but I remember being frustrated that I finally figured out how to use them, and then I didn't see them anywhere. I was born in 75, so around 80, 83, 84, I learned how to use them, and everybody stopped buying them. But anyway, so this is a funny thing. I paid $2 for it. Wash it up, little soap and water, easy 20. Paid $2 for this paper cutter. I have no idea. I just think it has potential, but I have little ones, so I gotta make sure that that's separated from them, very far from them. All right, let's go see what else we can get. All right, I'm glad I persevered today because look at this here. I got this meter here, $14. Should be an easy 100. And this is the cool thing about going to auctions. This fan's a little dusty and dirty. I paid $1 for it, right? My wife told me to replace my daughter's fan at some point this winter time for her bedroom. So we go home, clean it up, $1 fan. People tend to forget all the things you can get at the auctions instead of paying retail price, just buy used. But anyway, I try to tell people that all the time. They don't listen. Alright guys, I'm a little overly excited because I've been doing so well here today. Years ago, my dad asked for, when he retired to move to Florida, he wanted to put a cat on the side of his house. And it took my wife and I, well, she did most of the work, 6 months to find this cat right here. It took her 6 months. So just brought it for like $4 or $5. And I went ahead and grabbed, no, $2. And I grabbed this other cat for $2 for the heck of it. But doing really good here. It's a great run today. I also just put this Nintendo for $2 for parts, $25. There's a little timer thing here. It's like $1 for that. It's worth about 25, 30. This here is an old electronic. I don't even know what it is, to tell you the truth. It's a Dwight console 80. But I looked it up. Worth $80. That's all I need to know. I grabbed it up. I'm doing really good here today. But here's the bad part. Now I gotta start carrying this crap outside. Thank you, sir. Right here. Over here, sir. Thanks, bud.
That goes down.
orange, $1 for 2. You can't go wrong with that. Give you an idea. There you go. And this one's turned to the side. For that clock for $4 over here. And these 2 Danbury Mint cars I got for a real good price. But they've got damage on them, but I won't lose money. I also got this gas mask down here for $5, which is a good price. So, I'm happy today. I'm very happy. Just picked up the hood ornaments. I got 2 of them. I believe it's 13 a piece, but I'm very happy with that buy. Very, very happy. And see what else we can get. Alright, for these old refrigerator labels I was looking at earlier. It was like what was red left that people didn't want. This is from an old dryer. I only paid $1 for the whole lot of it. So I figured, what the heck. It's still pretty cool as far as I'm concerned. Especially this one. High frequency telephone receiver. For $1 was worth it. What's this? Power glove. Okay. I just spent $50 on a bunch of car decals. This one alone is worth at least $100. I'm doing really good today. And I'm gonna keep it going at it. I guess I'm gonna have to cut myself off eventually though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut myself off soon before I go too high. Lamp here, that bulb, the lens being red, should set it apart from the rest. I'm not gonna lose money, but I'm sure I made money. I paid $25 for it, so it should be okay. Ooh, too close to my face. You guys saw it, right? The red lens should give it value, but I'm not sure. We're gonna find out when I get home. Also, bought one of these old Westinghouse electric meters. We'll see what that does. And I bought a lot of the paper stuff. It was like $1 or $2, so I went ahead and got it. So we'll see what happens when I get home. But I'm getting tired, and I think I spent enough today. Now it's time to take a lot of pictures of the advertisement for $1. So there's a ton of money in there. My wife's got to work with it. I'm too impatient to do all the paperwork, but there's a lot of money in it, and people usually don't buy it. Today I brought all of it. Also, this stove here, I paid $5 for it. It's not complete, but I will make a profit on it, so I'm very happy today. And I also got the radio I was looking at earlier. Paid $2, maybe $4. I think I paid next to nothing for it. But it's an old Maritime International radio. It's definitely got some age on it, but I'm packing up. I'm starting to get my stuff organized because I'm tired and I'm ready to go home. Alright guys, wrapping up. Spent a little bit over like $418 today. I think I did really well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time.